Hello and welcome to Explain That in this how to save a video in Capcut. So first, open up your newly project, go to the menu, drop down menu at the top left, then tap on the export video. So that would do is it will introduce you to this new UI. And after that, you can just choose on whatever type of export folder that you want the video to be saved on. Do your different types of configurations such as the resolutions, the bitrate, the codecs, whatever type of technological terms that they have. So for example, even the frame rates, and that's about it. If you have an audio, you can also export it standalone. And after you're done, just tap on the export button on the with the blue icon or with the blue color and wait for it to be exported. It might take a while depending on the amount of effects and also the duration of the video that you want to save it. So just wait for it. And for example, we're about done. And after that, you can open up the folder to see the full video itself, and it will redirect you to the Windows Explorer. So after that, you can just tap on cancel to edit it out whenever you like. And that's about it.